Cave. Every man has a cave, a place where he disappears. Batman didn't become a legend in the spotlight, he became one in the dark. The cave is where boys die and men are forged. If you want a different life, enter your cave. 2. The mask. Bruce Wayne wears a mask, just not the one you think. The billionaire playboy is the disguise. Batman is who he really is. Identity is who you become when nobody's watching. Stop pretending. Start becoming. 3. The pain. His story started with trauma, but it never ended there. Pain didn't break him, it sharpened him, turned a wounded boy into a man with purpose. Your wounds are not your weakness, they're your weapon. 4. The discipline. Batman has no superpowers, but he outworks gods. Strength built through sweat, skill mastered through repetition. Discipline made him unstoppable. You don't need powers, you need standards. 5. The mission. He never fights for himself, he fights as himself. Purpose gives him direction. Purpose gives him clarity. Purpose is stronger than fear. A man with a mission becomes inevitable. 6. The darkness. He walks in the dark but never lets it consume him. He knows his demons, and he controls them. A man becomes dangerous when he masters his shadow. Your darkness isn't meant to be erased, only disciplined. 7. The fear. Batman became the thing he feared most. He turned terror into armor, transformed weakness into intimidation. When fear stops being a cage, it becomes a tool. Face your fear, make it serve you. 8. The isolation. Greatness is a lonely mountain, even for Batman. He works alone because the climb is his burden. Loneliness is the entry fee of destiny. If you can walk alone, you can walk anywhere. 9. The code. He could kill, but he doesn't. The line he refuses to cross keeps him human. Power is nothing without restraint. A man becomes strong when he chooses limits, not when he ignores them. 10. The rise. Every time Gotham falls, Batman rises. Not because he's fearless, but because he refuses to stay down. His real strength is endurance. Fall 10 times, rise 11. That's how legends are born.